Hello everyone, good evening to all. This is Jaideep, and I like to take this opportunity to speak on group presentation, which we will be done on Apple versus Microsoft and examine how they are different in their organization culture. And first of all, I like to thank our professor, Miss Angela Nicolita, to give us this opportunity and for her guidance. I would be joined by my two colleagues, Mr. Sanket and Bajarang, who helped and made this possible together. Let's begin. Let's start with the introduction. A brief about Apple and Microsoft, very well known names everyone would be knowing already. A tech giants from America. Apple, founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs and two other persons, and with initially designed some computer products. Finally, they launched their first uh, iPhone, in 2007. And since then, there is no turning back. And their phone is the highest selling product in the world in terms of numbers. And if I talk about the revenue, it is around 300 billion as per the report per year. And if I talk about the strength, employee strength, the number is approximately 162,000. As contrast in my, if I talk about Microsoft, it was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates. They started with the basic language program softwares. Then they came up with the MS-DOS, and finally they launched the MS Office in 1980. And then it's a success story. Everyone knows about it. In terms of revenue, they are close to 280 billions per year, and their employee strength is roughly 2 lakh 220,000 employees at present. If The next one is we'll talk on the organizational culture, former versus informal. Let's start with the Apple. Their structure is a bit informal. They are not very focused on dress codes or something for the office, and more focus on the creativity and the work innovations. That way, their structures are very functional based, as contrast to Microsoft, where they offer the balanced approach, formal versus informal. Generally, weekdays are formally mm, approached, and the weekends are informal, say for Friday as a casual. Weekends, casual wears are allowed, and their organizational culture is very modern and flexible in that sense. And the next, we would be talking on how the stuff is organized in both of the companies. I would like to start with the Apple first. At Apple, the staff organization follows a functional structure, as I told in my previous slide as well, placing a strong emphasis on product-based teams with a clear hierarchy led by the functional managers. The collaborative ethos extends across various departments, facilitating a streamlined decision-making process within the teams. In contrast, in Microsoft, they adapt a product-type divisional hierarchy structure, with the general manager generally at the top overseeing the functional managers, engineering teams, and project managers. The organizational design has evolved dynamically with the growth incorporating diverse structures. Each division maintains a focused approach on specific product. With this, I like to invite my next colleague, Mr. Sanket. He would be talking on the other slides. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Jaideep. Hi, everyone. This is Sanket. Moving to next slide. One, evidence of status or power. Apple uses consumer behavior marketing to win. The key values at Apple includes commitment to creating exponential products, a belief in simplicity, and technology market presence in area where it can make significant contribution, and focuses on collaboration and cross pollination. Apple's dedications to excellence, innovation, and courage to admit mistakes contributes to its distinct corporate identity. Apple uses consumer behavior marketing. Apple power status is evident to groundbreaking products and market dominance and profitability. executive, and secret launches amplify anticipation, solidifying Apple's leadership. A flatter hierarchy emphasizes self-propelled employees to minimize the traditional status difference and forecasting, culture valuing, and individual contribution. When it comes to Microsoft narrative is one of the technical power and fulfilled data platform and cutting edge solution, defining its status and power, certification and empower individual. So in this process, the intelligent performance to make prediction and suggestions, delivering the personalized and adaptive user experience. Intelligent micro apps, which include like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, real-time collaboration, and smart suggestions and data analysis. In industrial leading availability, reduced downtime. They are still keep upon service and running smoothly for their users. SLA services. If we they not achieve the and maintain the service level for each service described in this SLA, then you may be eligible for credit towards the portion of your monthly service fees. SLA downtime per week is 10 minutes and per month is 43 minutes. Highly secure data platforms. With built features data protection, data security is a concern with the integrity of your data works to protect your corruption by unauthorized services in threats. Powerful remote reporting inside the using the SQL services analysis and servicing. SQL services are integration service meant to perform extraction, transformation, and loading of various types of data. Flexible database solution. They have range of options to meet different need to, for example, there are Azure SQL database, which is fully managed by relation database services that allows you to scale resources up down based on demand. And move to next slide. What values are essential when it comes to Apple? It great products and simple and not complex, and ecosystem and collaboration. I say no to which believe in saying no to thousands of projects, to that we can really focus on the important meaning to us to saying no to the projects. And when we comes to Microsoft, Microsoft empowerment, Microsoft plays a lot of value ability to empower its employees and customers. And inclusivity, the company emphasizes a commitment to inclusion and diversity, equality, and customer focus. Microsoft also process high value of overall customer satisfaction, accountability. Microsoft firm believe thinking taking accountability for its actions and continuous learning. It frequents employees to engage their works to curious way, innovation, and making a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanket. And I would like to continue with the next slide. That is teamwork and collaboration evident at workplace. As per the Steven Jobs, that the company is run based on the ideas, not on the hierarchy, which encourages employees to get innovation. Here in the Apple company, employees trust each other to deliver quality jobs. Apple employees hold 3 to 4 meetings in every week, expectations and progressing in the discussions. When we talk about the Microsoft, it is the hub of teamwork in the Microsoft 360. Teams fulfills the communication and coordination in the Microsoft 360, including chat, meeting, voice, and videos. Apple is committed to protecting the environment. Sorry, in the next slide. Apple is committed to protecting the environment, health, safety for other employees. Apple makes the employees to work on these major categories: teamwork, innovation, and results. Informally works, Apple informally works autonomous divisions under the CEO. In Microsoft, balance for formulating with flexible certifications and commitments. With this, I like to conclude the presentation and open the session for the advice and also questions. We would like to happy to answer for every kind of questions from you, and thanking you.